Making on work for you. Mastering prepositions of place. Hello language learners. In today's lesson, we are going to explore the fascinating world of English prepositions, particularly focusing on the preposition on. This versatile little word is often used in phrases to describe the location of something, particularly in relation to surfaces. By the end of this video, you will be a whiz at using on in different contexts, enhancing your understanding of English collocations. When we talk about prepositions of place, on is a term that describes the surface on which an object is located. It's a word that indicates position or location, typically suggesting that something is resting on the top of a surface, or is attached to it in some way. For example, we say, "The book is on the table," meaning the book is resting on the surface of the table. The most common use of on is to denote physical surfaces. This could be anything from furniture, like tables and chairs, to geographical features, like mountains and beaches. Examples: the glasses are on the shelf. She wrote a message on the sand at the beach. He placed the photo on the wall. Notice how in each case, the object, glasses, message, photo, is located or positioned on a surface, shelf, sand, wall. On isn't limited to physical surfaces. It can also be used with abstract surfaces. This might seem a bit strange at first, but once you start using it, you'll get the hang of it. Examples: the documentary was on television. Here, television is an abstract surface. The information is on the internet. In this case, internet is the abstract surface. That topic is on the agenda. The agenda here is an abstract surface where topics are listed. We also use on when referring to something that's touching or covering a part of a person's body. Examples: he wore a hat on his head. She put a bandage on her knee. They have masks on their faces. Remember that for these cases, the thing has to be in contact with the body part for on to be used correctly. So, there you have it. We have explored various ways in which on is used as a preposition of place. From physical and abstract surfaces to body parts, you have now a better understanding of this versatile preposition. Keep practicing these collocations and you'll find that your natural English fluency is improving every day. Thanks for joining me in this lesson. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. See you in the next lesson.